Hello friends, I am Praveen Kumar Tankar. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Engine. Do like, share and subscribe for latest more videos. So today we are learning how to make bibliography in LATEX. As you know, LATEX is a scientific writing software. So let's move to text file, which is I already opened. So as you can see, this is a reference file. I have given name as references.txt, which I will upload with this tutorial on the website praveendhankar.wordpress.com. So let's start how I make it this bibliography. So you start with the command /document class and the bracket 12 size of 12 point and article, and we used packages AMS maths or C Clientsys. Then title in bold font, hues, tutorial on bibliography, and then author name /author name, and then affiliation you can write with the author name. I have given my mail ID, you can check it. This is my mail ID pkumar6743@gmail.com, and then /bibliography style plain. Then started with the document /begin document and then make title /new page, just starting with new page, and then /Aryabhatta's identity for control design. So I am given here Aryabhatta's identity for control design. Here you can write some polynomial equation of the form. This is the equation of the form, and we are writing it without number, just simply equation. And then you start with cite your content. So here you can see we start with citing, and the first content Aryabhatta identity is cite as 11, number 11. So here the command for citing this before this you can check the command for third and second. So this is VK79, this is for third and this is for second. The author's short name you can write, and here like /cite, then curly bracket and the name, like this is the author name, the book name, this is the book which was published, and here if you go then you will get all the information. This is the research paper which was published, and similarly it is a book. So again KM, this is miscellaneous content which was taken from website, and likewise if you go, so you can cite everywhere. The textbook /cite is the textbook where you can cite it. It is like this, and then you write /bibliography references. Actually here you can do one thing, then manually you can start with /bibliography then you can write your citations, or either, as we have a standard format, so we prepare a bibliography separately. So you can see this is the bib file made .bib in the same text, but here we added separately. It's a standard format. Some very standard journal they are following on this, and itself they have their own style file. Let me show you how they have a style file. So when you are downloading any journal's format, you have to check whether it has any specific style file or bibliographic design. If it has any specific style file or bibliographic design, so you have to be do your work with that style file or bibliography. So you have to put your article citation in the bibliography, and style file will arrange how the content look like, equations, how equations looking like, all these things. So here if you go, you can check every, this is the style file. So here book, and then curly bracket started KMM07, this is author name, then title, then publisher, then year, then curly bracket close. That means the information of this book closed. Similarly, these are the for book, and this is for technical report, how it can be written like. Similarly, it is like this, and you have started with CP82, and then author name, title, then institute, then year, number, address. Similarly, in proceeding, if you are, then this is the initial of author KM, and then year 06, then same author, title, book title, year, address, and then organization. So you have to be write like this, like this. This is the proceeding, these are the proceeding, and this is for miscellaneous content, like if you are putting taken from many websites, so you can write miscellaneous, and then this, and then not any website or whatever from where you are taken, and then year. Article if you are taken, then similarly as VS06, the author article is author name, title name, then journal, then year, then volume, then volume number, then pages, and then like this. So this text have a style file, this is bibliography, and then another, this is the style file of Haworth's.style file. This is the format for Haworth's. So it's a standard format. So Haworth's bibliography, like you can say. So here you are not supposed to change anything more. The little bit things you can manage. Otherwise, you have the format appears after having this bibliography. It formats look like this. So one most important thing is you have to have these references and bibliography with this text file. As I am putting all this in a single all in a single folder, so you have to have this references is the text file name, then reference.bib, and then Haworth's.style, LATEX style. So you can see their extension type, and this bibliographic data. So if they are in a single format, then and only your text run, otherwise it will not run. So be careful while writing this. Then of course your end commands less and document. So your text looking like this. you automatically how you are putting your cited here in the content wise, so it will pick up and give it numbering, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, as like this. So this is the style file of awards. So it's looking like this. So anything you can be make very easily and very comfortably. There is no huge worry about this. So very easily, simply you can go through it and get. So thank you very much for watching our channel and being with us with this scientific journey of learning softwares. So stay tuned with me for the new and interesting concept and videos. Thank you very much.